Hi friends, welcome to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. You can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D model. The base dimension is 89 by 144 and 13 mm thickness. Select new, metric, standard mm, create. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me friends to do the more videos. Select 2D sketch, select plane, select center rectangle, give the dimension 88, tab 144 mm. by 144 mm. Double click, change the 89. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 13 mm. Okay. You can see backside there is one flange that is 63 mm height and R is 44.5 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch, select circle 89 mm, give the constraint, vertical constraint, select line. Okay, same this side also. Okay, select tangent this to this, already tangent is there, this to this already by default taken. Select this to this 63 mm, 63 right? Yes, 63. Trim unwanted lines. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 13 mm. Reverse the direction. Okay. The next step is, you can see there is a 1.5 flange welded on that. So diameter is 50 and 40, height is 63 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, take the reference point, enter dimension here, select one more circle 40 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 38 mm. Okay. So center, you can see there is one rib as welded. That dimension is 13 mm thickness. For that, select the YZ plane, sketch, select the line, okay. Here you can see there is a project geometry. Select that, select this line, this line, this line. Finish sketch, extrude, okay. We need to create line here. Edit sketch, select line, this to this surface. Finish sketch, extrude, take both the side 13 mm. You can see friends, anything is missing, So all the operations are done. Now I will assign the material. Select this generic. You can select any material here. I will go with steel, and here we need to change that surface finish. Okay, save the part, Ctrl S. So that's it friend, today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.